Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I want to do my task from Mr. Agus, and my task is I have for make a video about my blogspot. Yes, about what I read that. Yes, and I read that about Fahmi, but yeah, they just telling. And the title about that the cost of distraction, about the price we pay when we let distraction take over, yeah, like that. So that about the title about Fahmi, and the title of that is the cost of distraction. And from that we know that is so important in our life. And the topic is the impact of environment and friendship on study discipline. So how our friend, that is how about us. So choose your friend, a good friend, so like that. The background, Fahmi is a village boy who used to help his parents in the garden, yeah, that in early the tech. After school he went to an Islamic boarding school, yeah, after school at SD or elementary school, he going to Islamic boarding school to study. At first he was super focused on learning Arabic and Islamic knowledge in his Islamic boarding school. He woke up early, memorized vocabulary about Arabic language, and always sat in the front row. Yeah, that what do Fahmi at early and in his Islamic boarding school. Purpose of writing to one readers that small distraction can destroy discipline that took months to build. The goal is to make us protect our environment and stay focused on our goals. So don't doing like what Fahmi have doing, because that is not good for us. Yeah, target students, yeah, maybe for students or student Islamic boarding school, or in our country we say santri or college student experiencing those living in boarding school or everything. Maybe for parent too, because this maybe parents Fahmi don't do what he have doing, like look Fahmi at every day what he doing, or yeah, like that. Main point of the article is at first Fahmi was very disciplined in the pesantren or in Islam boarding school during holiday at home. Yes, after he have holiday from Islam boarding school, he followed his friend habits like playing game or do something not good, yeah, like that. I don't know what he doing, but the one of that, yeah, that he just playing game and don't do something like what he doing in his Islamic boarding school. Yeah, that is not good for us. So don't. So his memorizing got stuck, focus disparate, he felt empty. Lesson: environment matters a lot. Good friends push you forward, bad habit pull you back fast. Realizing I have gone too far become the start of his recovery. Yeah, and in the last, I have to. Oh, not the last. Why the topic is important? Because discipline, yeah, in our life at every day is easy to break but hard to build. Yeah, it's easy to break but hard to build. Just 2 and 3 weeks maybe of distraction can 9 months of effort. So yeah, what we have to do at 2 or 3 weeks maybe good, but after that ah, it's not good, bro. So like that. In the era of smartphone and social media, this topic is super relevant, in my opinion, because to protect our goals. So if we have something, yeah, we have to do that something. Yeah, what I learned, yeah, from writing this, I learned one, take responsibility for my own choice, but it is so hard for me to, not for you my biggest, for me to, it is so hard to have the courage to say no to things that ruin the future. Yeah. And three, making mistakes is okay, but staying in that mistakes is dangerous. We must protect our environment. Yeah, because from friend, from social media too, or another. Yeah. And the last, what, yeah, that is my blogspot, what I have read in the blogspot. And I say sorry because maybe in blogspot not good, or there something incorrect, and something correct is little maybe, because I don't know. And I know at this language, or in English language learning, but if you ask me about Arabic language, maybe I just know little. Yeah, that is my video, and thank you for your watching. I'm so sorry again. And don't do what like Fahmi doing, because that is not good at early, but uh, at last what he doing, we have to do that for our yes, for us, like that. And see you guys. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.